wasn't yours. I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back to who I was before. I like me better, I like me better.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be on a minimal makeup, very easy tutorial for the summer, something that is going to withstand this heat. So if you guys want to know more, let's go. So if you saw the video where I was unboxing those products, y'all saw that I got this from It Cosmetics. It's their Your Skin But Better CC Natural Matte. Y'all said you wanted a video with that. CC's are the best. CC's BB's Skin Tints Tinted Moisturizer. That is the best stuff to break out during this time of year, because if you think about it, the less makeup you have on your face, the less you have to possibly sweat off, the less to move around, all that stuff. So a lot of people do start using a lot more minimal makeup during the summertime, or some people just do that year round. You know, the whole clean girl aesthetic thing is still popular to this day. So yeah, I think I'm only gonna use like 4 products today. Maybe I'm actually gonna start out with concealer first. Again, oh, this is the Fenty We're Even Hydrating Longwear Concealer. Just a little dot. And blend that out. Oh, I have primer on. It is that Milk Cloud primer, the one that comes out like a foam. It's that one. That smells like popcorn. I feel like I said it smelled like something when I first tried it. I'm not sure if I actually said what it was, but I realized it smells like movie popcorn. I'm already getting hot. I can't do it this summer. I really cannot. Go ahead and set just my under eye directly. I'm gonna use this Westman Atelier powder. You don't have to use, you know, a powder like this, because baby, this brand is not cheap, but just, you know, any pressed powder. Oh, this is what it looks like on the inside. So this is the product. Retails for $47. How much do you? 1.08 fluid ounces. I'm gonna use the shade Neutral Deep. I think they sent me Deep as well, but I feel like Neutral Deep, because we got as close to our skin tone as possible, especially we're not wearing that much makeup. Can't have a face that's brighter than the chest. A full coverage matte foundation for oily skin, skin bouncing serum, broad spectrum SPF 40, sunscreen in 1. This color correcting matte foundation delivers up to 24-hour skin hydration, 16-hour shine control, and sun protection without a white cast. This lightweight sweat-proof CC cream immediately blurs the look of large pores while covering fine lines, dark circles, redness, and uneven skin tone. In an 8-week clinical test, daily use results based on the less visible shine, improved skin texture, improved overall skin quality. All right. That is what it looks like on the skin. Just gonna do a little bronzer, call it a day. And that is my face, real simple. And the only thing I did was setting spray. I didn't do setting powder or like finishing powder. You all saw that Urban Decay video where I was like, you know, especially matte foundations, you really don't have to go that hard with powder, so I just use setting spray instead. And yeah, it's already 1 in the afternoon, so I'm gonna give it, you know, a couple hours, come back, show y'all what it's looking like. But again, if you're looking for a really simple, easy makeup, just kind of throw on and go. Depending on where you're going, maybe you're on vacation, going to the beach, or you know, you're going to work, still want to do a little something, but it is hot outside. Yeah, so that is it for this look. I'll see you guys a little later. All right, y'all, it's currently thundering. That's why it seems like it's gotten a little darker, but I did step outside before that. I think it's like 90. It's not even like the heat that be getting me, it's the humidity, like that on top of it being a high heat. I'm over it. But this is my face looks like. Ignore here, I ate lunch, so my lip touches my chin. Okay, CC cream. When it comes to matteness, I feel like, but also if you're looking for a foundation, because you can do a full face with CC cream if you would like to, but when we're talking foundation, if you're looking for a foundation, you're gonna do a full face type thing, I'd probably still go with the Urban Decay. But if you're looking for something very light, very easy to just throw on and go, maybe you're not even gonna do anything that I did today. Maybe you're not gonna do bronzer, you're not gonna do concealer, you literally just want a CC cream. I would say, given the heat that my face was out in, did I say what time it is? It is 5:20. Listen, this heat's also giving like brain fog. Given the heat that I went out in, but that's also what I was saying, like the less that's on your face, the less likely anything's going to run, it's gonna move around, stuff like that. So okay, CC cream, and again, shade. The look on the face, I will say this is probably a little bit more of a natural look to it because it's a CC cream. I don't know if you guys noticed, but like especially when I came back right when I finished my face, I felt like it was giving a little glow from within. All right. So yeah, this was just a really simple, easy, minimal makeup look, and letting you know how it held up hours later. So let me know down below, this summer, you wearing makeup, you not wearing makeup, how you feeling? Do you have this product? Do you have any other products that you would recommend as a like tinted moisturizer, CC cream, BB cream, skin tint? Let us know in the comments down below. Make sure to thumbs up, comment, subscribe, turn on notification bells down below. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.